Hey guys, hope you are doing good. If you are here searching for how to delete your Instagram account permanently, then you are at the right place. Facebook bought Instagram in 2012 for a cool $1 billion, a move that raised eyebrows at the time but seems like a bargain in the current social media climate. Instagram is one of the most influential social media platforms around, and despite its affinity with Facebook, it continues to grow. There has been a steady stream of people leaving Facebook over recent years, but Instagram has been largely unaffected. However, some people distrust Facebook enough also to want to remove themselves from any Facebook-owned services, Instagram included. If you want to delete your Instagram account, the process is a surprisingly simple one considering the hoops Facebook makes you jump through to delete your account there. If you do want to delete your Instagram account, consider downloading all of your images first. Now, let's jump into the process. Open your Instagram account and tap on bottom right corner which shows your picture. Once done, your dashboard will open. Now, tap on the three dots here. Select Settings option. This interface will pop up. You have to select Help option from the list. Under Help, choose Help Center and tap on it. You will see the interface like this one. Now again tap on the three dots here. Select Manage Your Account option. You will see the option which says Delete Your Account. Tap on it. Now select Delete Your Instagram Account option. Under that you will see the link for deletion of your account permanently. Sometimes, Instagram will ask you to re-enter your password, so, please provide for account deletion process. That's all there is to it. Your Instagram has now been deleted. Hope this helps. Please like and share this information to your circle and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.